In preparation for the annual MTAP competition, let's go over the questions given in 2019 MMC MTAP Math Challenge. This material is not only intended for the elimination round, but also for the oral competition, so the questions will be read twice, then the timer will start. If you have a better idea on how to solve the problems, please share it and leave a comment below. Question number 12. Determine the set of prime factors of 6000. Determine the set of prime factors of 6000. A set is a collection of distinct objects. This means that 1, 2, 3 is a set, but 1, 1, 3 is not, because 1 appears twice in the second collection. The opening and closing curly braces denote a set. To determine the set of prime factors of 6000, we can use the continuous division. Since 6000 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. Let's divide 6000 by 2 and the answer is 3000. 3000 is still an even number, continue dividing by 2. The answer is 1500, continue dividing by 2. 1500 divided by 2 is 750. 750 divided by 2 is 375. Since 375 is not an even number, we can no longer divide it by 2. 375 ends in 5, so we can use divisibility rule for 5. 375 divided by 5 is 75. 75 divided by 5 is 15. 15 is still divisible by 5, so let's continue dividing by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. There are 3 5s as prime divisor, so we have 5 raised to the third power. There are 4 2s as prime divisor, so we have 2 raised to the fourth power. There is only 1 3 as prime divisor. The prime factorization of 6000 is 5 cubed times 2 to the fourth power times 3. Answer: the set of prime factors of 6000 is 2, 3, 5. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.